In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your YouTube channel to Whop. First, sign into your Whop account. Make sure you're using the same account you manage your products or communities with, so everything stays organized. Once you're in, head to your account settings. From there, open the Connected Accounts section. This page is where you link services that Whop can verify on your behalf. Scroll through the list until you find YouTube. When you see it, click the Add button next to YouTube to start the connection process. A pop-up will appear asking for your YouTube channel URL. Go to your channel's main page in a separate tab and copy the full channel link. It can look like youtube.com, your handle, or youtube.com/channel, followed by an ID. Be sure you're not pasting a video or playlist link. Whop needs the channel URL itself. Paste that link into the pop-up and click Add. Whop will now generate a unique verification code. Copy this code exactly as it appears. This code simply proves that you control the channel. It's temporary and you'll remove it shortly. Next, go to your YouTube channel and edit your channel description. Paste the verification code into the description. Placing it at the top makes it easy for systems to find. Then save your changes. Don't worry, your viewers won't see this for long, and you can keep the rest of your description text untouched. Return to Whop and click Verify. Whop will check your channel description for the code. This can be almost instant, but if it doesn't verify right away, give it a moment and try again. Occasional delays on YouTube's side are normal. Once verification succeeds, your YouTube channel is officially connected to Whop. At this point, go back to your channel description and remove the verification code you added. Your channel connection remains intact, and your description is back to normal. That's it. You've successfully linked your YouTube channel to Whop. This connection helps Whop confirm channel ownership for your products, memberships, or communities, and ensures your audience access is managed smoothly. If you ever change your channel URL or make major updates to your channel, you can revisit this page in Whop to review or update the connection. And if you run into issues, double check that you used the correct channel URL and that the code was saved in your description before clicking Verify. Thanks for watching, and great job getting everything set up.